The next topic is Kirchhoff's current law. So Kirchhoff's current law, it states that algebraic sum of current entering the node or closed boundary is 0. Okay. So other statement is sum of the entering current is equal to sum of the leaving current. Okay. So we are taking this as one node. So how many currents are entering this node? So I1 is entering, then I3 is entering, then I4 is entering. So I1, I3, I4 is the entering current. What are the leaving current? I2 and I5. I2 and I5 are the leaving current. So sum of the entering current is equal to sum of the leaving current. Or the entering current should be represented as positive and leaving current is represented as negative. Okay, I1 minus I2 plus I3, I4 minus I5 equal to 0. Okay, so this is the statement of Kirchhoff's current law. So we can see one problem. Find current I0 and voltage V0 in the circuit. So here we know node means two or more branches meeting a point. So here here there is only one node, that is you can take this as a node. So here the current sources. So definitely in a node the resistor should be met. Okay, so here resistor is meeting, current source is meeting, and another current. So we can take this as a node A. Okay, so at node A, what are the entering current? 0.5 I0 is entering, and then 3 is entering. What are the leaving current? I0 is the leaving current. That is the current across this 4 ohm is the I0 current. Okay, so what is the value? 0.5 I0 minus I0 is equal to 3. So what is 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. So minus 0.5 I0 equal to 3. Okay. So here we got minus 0.5 I0 equal to 3. Okay. So next you want to find the value of I0. I0 is minus 3 by 0.5, that is minus 6 ampere. So it is a negative value. So if you take 0.5 to other side means you will get the positive value. Okay. Next you want to find the value of V0. So V0 is the voltage across the 4 ohm resistor. So V is equal to I into R, that is I0 into 4. Okay, so what is I0 value? 6 plus 6 or minus 6, 6 4s are, what is the value? 24 volt. Okay, so the answer of V0 is 24 and the answer of I0 is 6 ampere. Okay, so we can see the next problem. Okay, so it is the next problem. So in Kirchhoff's voltage law, we will choose the loop. So Kirchhoff's current law, here you must choose the node. Okay, so here how many nodes are there? So I said you nodes means two or more branches meet பண்ணணும். So இது வந்து நோடு, இதில் ஒரு வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸு ரெசிஸ்டரும் தான் மீட் ஆகுது. அப்போ இதை நம்ம இப்போது இதில் நோடாக எடுக்க முடியாது. பிகாஸ் ரெண்டு ரெசிஸ்டர் மீட் ஆச்சுன்னா we can take this as a node. Here one voltage source and one resistor is meeting, so we can't take this as a node. You can take this as a node because here this voltage source and resistor, then one resistor, and here also one resistor. So you can take this as a node, and you can't take this as a node because only one resistor is meeting. So இதை வந்து நீங்கள் எப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம்? நோடாக எடுத்துக்கலாம். Okay, so here you can take this as a node A. So at node A you want to apply the at node A you want to apply the Kirchhoff's current law. Okay, so you want to apply Kirchhoff's current law. So what is Kirchhoff's current law? Sum of the entering current is equal to sum of the leaving current. So you want to note the current value. So take this as the current. You can note any I0 or I1 or I2, I3. Okay, so here you can mark this current value as I1. Okay, you can mark this current value as I1. Okay, and next this current value as I2. Okay, and next this current value as I3. Okay, ஸோ எப்போவுமே கரண்ட் டைரெக்ஷன் போடும்போது நோடு, ஸோ இங்கே வந்து நமக்கு வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸ் இருக்கனால கண்டிப்பாக இப்படி தான் மூவ் ஆகும், -2 + தான் மூவ் ஆகும்னு தெரியும். ஓகே, ஸோ நீ ஆட்டு போடுறீங்க, யூ ஆர் புட்டிங் த கரண்ட் வேல்யூ. ஸோ இதில் வந்து -2 + இப்படி கரண்ட் வேல்யூ போடும். ஸோ இங்கேருந்து போடும்போது நோட்லேருந்து வெளியில் வர்ற மாதிரி போடணும். சப்போஸ் இங்கே வோல்டேஜ் சோர்ஸ் இருந்துன்னா கரண்ட் டைரெக்ஷன் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி போடணும். Okay, so here plus minus இருந்துச்சுன்னா minus to plus இப்படி மூவ் ஆகுற மாதிரி போடணும். So here the current, that is the voltage source, is moving from minus to plus, so we are noting this as in this direction, and other directions are from outwards of the node value. So here I2 and I3. Okay, so here apply KCL. So at node A, what are the entering current? I1. What are the leaving current? I2 and I3. Okay, the leaving current is I2 and I3. So now you want, so what is the voltage across this resistor? V1 is equal to 8 into I1, and voltage across this resistor is 3 into I2. Voltage across this resistor is 6 into I3. Okay, so now you want to apply KCL, Kirchhoff's current law. So Kirchhoff's current law at this node is sum of the entering current equal to sum of the leaving current. So what is the entering current? I1. What is the leaving current? I2 and I3. So take this as equation number 1. Next, in order to find this value, okay, so here there are 2 loops. We can take this as a 2 loop because we want to find separately, separate find pannan. Okay, you want to find V1, V2, V3, I1, I2, I3. So for this purpose we are taking the loop. Okay, otherwise you can simplify this as 2 resistor or parallel, and you can easily simplify, but you want to separately find all these values, so we are taking the loop. There are 2 loops, I1 and I2. So first apply KVL at loop 1. So while applying KVL at loop 1, what is the value? So it is a voltage rise, so 30, and here it is voltage drop, and here also it is voltage drop. Okay, so what is the value? What is the value? Minus 30 equal to 8 I1 plus 3 I2. And in the next loop, that is in the loop 2, you want to apply KVL. So we know KVL is sum of the voltage rise equal to sum of voltage drop. Okay, so if you take this, that is V2 voltage, so here the V2 voltage is voltage rise. Okay, the voltage is rising in V2. The voltage is rising, and next if you see the V3 voltage. Okay, so V2 is common to both the loop, and next if you see V3 voltage, here the voltage is dropping, that is from plus to minus. Okay, so voltage drop. So here sum of the voltage rise equal to sum of the voltage drop, that is 6I3 equal to 3I2. So I3 equal to I2 by 2. So now substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. So you will get this value, and now apply the LCM. Take the LCM, and after taking the LCM and by solving get I2 value. So after getting I2, you can easily substitute, find I3 value, and after finding I3, you can find I1 value by substituting I2 value, and you got I1, I2, I3. Okay, from this is the Kirchhoff's current law. Node la apply pannola, adla I2, I3 substitute pannu. After substituting, next you got I1, I2, I3 value, and put the substitute I1, I2, I3 in V1, V2, V3, and you got the answer. Okay, so Kirchhoff's current law is sum of the entering current equal to sum of the leaving current. You can use any procedure, not it is a standard procedure. You can apply here I1 equal to V1 minus V2. Okay, so there are some procedures, but when we study the nodal, you can understand clearly. Okay.